I don't disrespect. Unfortunately, this I'm called it. I don't disrespect.
Right, madoda, that was Yoga Luvo. Yeah. My namhla ngiphethe ezinkulu ezivela ewange. Ezize ezichisayo eziku number 1. Angazi ngiqamba mangapha mina ngu number 1 at the moment, man of the moment from wange. How are you, my guy?
I'm good, how are you?
I can see you're doing well.
I'm very well, my friend. I'm very well. Konke kulaka baba. Laka baba.
Jitonga.
Mtabi
yashiza these days.
Siyancengisa budam, siyancengisa tuli kuzama kutonta.
Tonta.
Mbichani. Aluse mushe.
Beta leza lo. Ndati ndimufonere from wange ndambula noti abapadi animokuziyenzi yawe yeni tuli kuyenepera mu social media ndinemuzwide wangi muri kuzwa abaningi ngazobona kala kuma show Harare mazobona kama show Gwanda mazobona kama show Plumtree show wange show fozi so that mueteduze
twasika mabhizi akona ngati tuli ku round munyika ngati yomubonwa abantu ngati akwe plan pe umsebenzi wethu mbobede mbobede
so mdala lapha uyakwazi ukuthi umuntu xa esenza iartan awuphongusuka nje uthi now senjani I'm now doing music wa inspire yini mdala what triggered you uthi now I want to do art, I want to sing, I want to rap, especially when you are singing Tonga, right? So we want you to tell us what happened, what's going on, what's taking place.
One thing that happened is what I noticed is that kuma Tonga side kulindiswe like the Tonga side baluchwana abantu abayenza khona kokwe music.
Okay.
Right. So my aim was mainly to uplift and put the Tongas on the map.
Yes.
DT Payamdimba did a very great job.
Yeah.
But he's doing Sungura, which is fine. But we want to have another angle too. So we can be seen with asobe Sungura kuphela. We can also do all these other things.
Okay.
So nzitoka tuchite music especially.
Right.
So that we become the voice yabatonga.
The voice of Tonga.
Yes, the face of Batonga people.
Alright. So ilo chitonga la chambula chili deep kana mbula chidombe.
Sizi kana chili deep nje chili but iswe twambula chichizivinkene. Banga chidombe nchibamba chidombe nchecho. But kuti amutonga sibili. Tulamvukana nanga tuli kuiza sibili
takwe chivya very
kana mchana. Venzi to one. Ngazo siyana zimwe kupera but otherwise hazirafana.
Alright. So uchikoma uchita music. Kumbe ziyamba muri machemba.
Ndala. Iswe vile toka kazi ya primary school ndakali mukwaya.
Okay.
Secondary school ndakali mukwaya.
Okay.
A level ndamkwaya futhi. Saka it's something chaka kazi ka vile nkechiri mfana. You know, music, and I fell in love with music.
Okay.
Up until A level. Up until now.
Lino
nizia papa man. Lino vile ngaziyabizwa nchenje vile ngakwabizwa
nchenje. Awanyabezwa Tonga. Inchenje umdlawuzo.
Akabese kunjalo.
China bali kwa insuma. Zinoliwa. Pese una jambe zikuwa noliye insuma.
Right.
Okay. That's nice. Plus nyabona wachuna ma collabo. I first collabo yakwenza lo bane wange.
First collaboration ngayenza lo Ricky. Ricky ZW is called Ndiwe. Ndiwe ngayidinga ku YouTube bayithola vele aziyonse empozile. We have a video too there. Saka nje first collaboration inda kanjira yo mu industry. Kutegwa J Tonga. Wanjira mu industry. Nje collaboration inda kanjira yo.
Ngona ka producer nyimbo.
Nyimbo yaka produce kwa Willie Gates. The finest wa mwangi.
But mina mvodi go to South Africa was yoga.
No, wakasiyoga yeah, he's around now. He's around and he's doing good food. Record abantu vele
Alright.
He's pushing.
Ma video ngwana kashuta.
Video yakashutwa GS.
Big up to Blackstone.
Blackstone mbadala. Ma elder mbambo ma elder besumanje bamuwangi bashuta ma videos. Even guidance kuti wanda kushuta video you can go there waku guide kuti okay do this and do that.
Alright.
Mbamba bakashuta.
because ndakabona mu video akuzwa channel O.
Right. Blackstone pena.
Blackstone inja igame.
Inja igame.
Inja igame ngoba video amaningi wangivele njani. Vila force amaningi amanye.
Amanye vele especially Boom or Raz. Yes, nguye orokuza.
Okay. uDivara kuspanela.
Divara he works uyabe engu DJ sometimes in some of my shows amengwenza.
Okay.
Yes, because Divara these days akasa record out record asechela abanye. So he's now DJ most of the time.
All right. Left
so DJ. Yes. So nguyo ongathi kwamanye ama shows DJs and uyasiphekela ama beats and then ama back tracks. Okay. For ama shows kulakha kwenza
saka nzibotu batonga balizimvu
baliswili dematonga
so tunapronotira anything na DT Bayo Mdimba
DT Bayo Mdimba sinambulayo byophe.
Okay.
Yes kuti sinamujata pewe
kumbe tunabanda bangwe uchienda kutonda face yako ibara lyako liyende lyabanga lyatandana lozomwite liweza kuno.
Ndichibona ngamwe ndichiri mufana mbichani kuli babayo.
Iwe tulibuzi.
Ndibona ngamwe ndichiri mufana mbichani babayo cause babayo binka. But
if mfana but
ndichiri mfana kwali.
Tuli mfana awabira jamwe. Iso ndizo tulangi. Ula libuzi yana but tuli bwena kuti oichomi.
Because ndaliganda ndisike at a certain level ya ku TV ni nkatwimvu so anyono bwene ti kuimvu J-Tonga abayo. Noti mwazokaza kulibuza tikantuli amfana ole rasta kusaidira kuya bayo ngwani.
Tachiko mntu takuisa. Wabona. So lino wedo libuza ku every soon uzonti. Very bantu balizizi umuntu wakomena abantu ndumubuza especially umatebeni noti ngono mabira
because twachova
kutwalanga mbache bachita mashows nginga wasika iwe ndingi evini wange Victoria Falls mashows ngwakasika iwe abalabalo
ni support yabantu kopera ni support yabantu ngabakuvouchira kuti J-Tonga lapha yakwana mfakeni la J-Tonga lapha yakwana mfakeni saka kuli bantu banga batu support abale kutupushira from behind the scenes
tulumbaleza so ule album
the EP and then a singles collection.
Okay.
EP itegwa feelings zili kukata ziyalili. Njama feelings vile zichata moyo. Zia moyo vile ziyama heartbreak ziyaluyando nyama but vile diyo itegwa feelings because zilama emotions mukati.
Uluyando namda.
So tuli malava.
Nikuita kwa shupa kuba simbi.
Tuli malava boy. Kuba simbi pepe zwangu but
Muluyando.
Iluyando tulayanda tulayanda tuma jiza kuti muntu lakonza kujatwa sugar luyando sweet love jitwamba sweet love.
Yes right. Tumuda jichuela imwe utando umti but ziri bob because these days bulwa zibulizwe kwamba kuti
ulafa saka nza kufocus muntu wani kupera ngiyo ngolawe
muri atizoleka ulijata ulinka ulireza
so twakabomba twakabankune abalemu twakakomena.
Alright. So Victoria Falls ngwani ngwa wachita i collab because me so fanda kabona imwikola I think Ras Matlas so yando futhi
so far tula nda Ras Matlazi kuli Ras Matlazi ili kuza soon very soon. Alright. And then kuli Boom Kid Cypher.
Right.
Uli alakwe we are trying to work on something.
Okay.
Angowe.
Alright.
Saka Mufik Force sikwe ma collaborations me. Kuli Ian Rikes.
Alright.
I don't know if you know him. Kuli Ian Rikes uli mforce momon. No, that one we did it already. Itegwa Jennifer.
Alright.
Itegwa Jennifer. It's on YouTube.
Alright. Zati we cancel YouTube zi
Ian Rikes, yes.
That's nice. My video ipe ndakabona one so far ndibwinda ma video ngina I think ni 2. Ma video ngwa piki YouTube ali ameni because bantu bede kutipera bantu banozi video one nga trend maningi WhatsApp vingi bantu na YouTube ngata bazizi so edo babuze ti kuti wa YouTube wajana video so yabona J-Tonga is there.
Unfortunately kuti nkatuli mu industry some of my works ngali sponsored.
Alright.
Some of my works ngate singakope saka some of my works tali channel yangu pe.
Alright.
Tali channel yangu some of my works akona twakachita nkatuli group saka ngama create a different channel for that project.
Alright. So
saka meku channel kuli ndime so far kuli ma songs kupera ta kwe ma videos ma music videos.
So i channel ndimu 7 ya ku ma music video nji ndabona mfana ule
ya mfana
yako posta uli yakwe channel Alright.
So unfortunately imevele channel yangu takukwe ma-videos.
Alright.
Ma-videos anga ali kuma-channels asiyene but tuli kupusha.
But wede kuvika pera.
Soon, very soon ndinochita ma-videos angu aya kuchannel yangu straight yeah.
Alright. But zina mayaka zina lya kupira.
Tuli kuyezia tata. Support yabantu kupena.
Andipera atwede balumba bantu be Mwangi
vetu Victoria Falls. Victoria Falls irandi. Victoria Falls.
Vetu akuyanda.
Not Mbicha. Victoria Falls. Of course, Mwangi they support and very good. But Victoria Falls but love.
To music yako to be understand it message one plus ila swirizika. Yasiya nabafana wengi bali watu waizi.
Ngatuli kuzama kuti zisefeke kuchita TV naba party ola konzia kuyelizia even aba nini uliyelizia nyimbo.
Veta tude bensoni batonga problem insoni. Akuliyo era ubanga kutali temba to alright ndasina ndimba sonto andiseka.
Manje twasika so.
Mwasika.
So twasika and tuliwa kuzozamba kuti tuzibike ntanganana. Chitati babone kuti putuli.
And guys, big up to J Tonga. Vele watonga twinke online ma social media wonse mtabensoni bale chitonga senda izo tonga maenda kuchija mambo kombula luzola mu bantu ngatusiyana tutabensoni bantu bensoni
tabete kubensoni peso iswe toba mutu akakomene na Mwangi but kutwandiswana so nkeri kwambula matongama vele siye tugipe ngandambula bya chitonga ndikubuzia bya kuti zinalango dimezi vani muchitonga
andipera just na towa mwiswe tu iswe vetu ambamala vetu kondiziva ndatakubuza lulimi lwangu lakati chomusho vele tu akwana vese
mbuzi yanda vele zyo mbuzi yanda.
Alright. So kuli any girlfriend sorry any msimbi ngwaka wakachira collab Mwangi kuti basimbi uzinyachitena ndabona mvifosi basimbi mbache bachita music plus bali nsoni bamwe asizimene nsoni mbembugwala mbekuyo I don't know but kuwangi penze nabona vini wani msimbi utekwa oyo msimbi ndawata kwe basimbi Mwangi mbe kuli bamwe mbozi mbunga machita mbako music
mpuba libimba but unfortunately mesena chita muntu wechanakazi pe bechanakazi bawo kya sizikana ni nyama but so banakazi bakona taba zimushemshe pe ku industry yakona.
Alright. So bayo njaze tiwa
banga insi bayo but otherwise kuimba balimba puba lisibili wobo bimba
banakazi girls ase uthi ungahlabela right sibajela bafazi nxa uhlabela siuthi awuseke ngumuntu ungazigqokela kuhle ube smart uhlabela music yakho kuphela uziphathe akuthi ukuthi wena umbe sungwebhawa umbe yini
puba lidoba
into esifisele move
puba lidoba bayimba ba Russian puba ba Kero bayimba gospel saka mobile but tabana chita mshemshepe
right ndazowa nyaku YouTube fika cheku Russia ya mdingu Russia nyimbo ndikandikwenzakala. Alright. So tokwe umuntu tawenga pakuzida namba yamulizima artist aliveni ulwana tawenga uzida nambo zote shamwali anwe awufaka na kuti kukudisa uyandula ti oliveni taona tuna disiko
ola di disa nyama imesuke problem amuntu pe. So far one thing I've noticed is that the moment ndoli kushupa na abantu that's where you get my disease but ime kutwandi disa no andi disa zwako.
Alright.
But ime sinamu sindave problem amuntu pe. So kundi disa wakona manje ziragambya even abantu baragamba kuti utisu cheitongo mtiselani sibi.
Alright.
I problem yakinga
but kula abanye abantu phela lawana iziqoqodo vethi ufuna wona lo wathule ukuthi kuze ngabona ibizo lakho selisumi lani labuya kuphele kokuganda
mina wankanda
bese ugandiwe uyayenza njani what's your reaction wena uyayenza njani
mina I don't diss back unfortunately lizangixolela I don't diss back
baza kufaka tubela
I don't diss back lizangixolela because one thing I can tell you is publicity whether good or bad is good for me.
Alright.
So ngandisa mina is fine, it's just free marketing for me because abantu bakazi kudinga ukuthi uJaitonga ukhona mbani and sebefuna ukulalela futhi uJaitonga ukhona uza kuthini and unfortunately mina I won't say anything even kuma comments I won't reply.
Alright.
Ngiyathula kunjalo.
Yeah, you are too smart.
Yes, that is the psychology of uyabona kutwa empty vessels make the loudest of noise.
Alright.
So the moment umuntu ekudisa is trying to get irrelevance.
Alright.
Because umuntu engakudisa engabona ukuthi maybe sulapha into akudisela yana ikudisela ukuthi abantu beqalisa ukukhuluma ngaye bechiyane lawe.
Yeah.
So when I'm ignore umuntu lo and just concentrate on what you're doing.
Alright.
Kuphela.
Okay. So hayi baphi bazizwela.
Balalele.
So next show to have yani?
Next show. Next show.
Ujele. Kule show lena ayikwana enkulu ayisewangele liyana enkulu liya. Ngabantu abakuvotela kumbe wazikhamba wazicelela okulo promoter wakhamba wathi hayi uJetonga siyamfuna lapha because music yakhe is good.
Kudaba part of the organizing team babe ngabantu beCollier. Okay. So Collier has been very, very massive in terms of promoting arts ewangi.
Okay.
So what they did is ama promoters lawana they talked to ama local promoters laba. Ukuthi how many acts do you have abewangi? Right. And that's where my name came in. Utai sido Jetonga lava kumbe sila lava do Jetonga.
But nokuphuma uJetonga la.
Paru Jetonga wabakhona.
Ngiyaqala.
Hayi asikwazi kwaqala but hopefully kwaqala uJetonga ukuthi uJetonga ngi first priority then sesithi la laba abanye. So asikwazi kwaqala bani.
Okay.
uJay
Garnett unga?
Junior Garnett useblawayo.
Alright ukhona so waphenduka eMzansi.
Junior Garnett kumbe Young Garnett. Kulo Junior Garnett. Kulo Young Garnett.
Alright.
Young Garnett no.
Alright.
Soma brothers labana. Yo ingazi abantu labana bakuhambisa njani vele lami kuyangiconfuse. Omunye nguYoung Garnett omunye nguJunior Garnett. So singazi ukuthi Junior Garnett asoma relatives.
Yeah, it's bad.
Asoma relatives labana yeah.
Alright.
But yeah.
But ngabona
Junior Garnett useblawa and then Young Garnett ukhona ewa.
Junior Garnett ubona so drop very hard. But uYoung Garnett ngembonelo ke faka ama
uyapusha kancane kancane ukhona wangi. Yeah, uyapusha labana bayapusha.
Ngimbambe emoyeni izuthi kahle WhatsApp. Alright. So akusitshele mtala usitshele ukuthi right and sesifuna ukuvala umdlalo lo. Ama plans akame njani unika ama artists wanika phi advice? Because yabona ngathi sona experiences stay now. So what's your advice kuma artists? Uthi bayenze njani uze sikhule bekhule njengawe? Because bakhona basakhula abazithi sebekhulile and yakwazi umenza ukuthi mina sengikhulile but engakakhuli wena ukhulile udlula nesithi but ukhulile udlula wena.
Alright.
So kumele siyafuna ukuthi abantu bebekwazi ukuthi most of time sifela kona ba.
Alright.
One sebesile pride, two asifuna ukulalela ama advice from ama big fish abanjengo Jetonga ukuthi ashama kwezako no phela ndikuthi sokana ukuthi abantu bazothi athi ndipe collab umwe phela nje ukuthi ngiyakumbe wephela kanje wakasika lino but langa uthi mulilo wakwaduka lino wakona but bakamba chindi but bachire zero. So I think you are really humble. You are humble enough because when you phone ndakwati umuntu wambula wena kwambula umuntu humble yabona. So tubakuze ukuthi kanti vele ukuthi bachite nyama especially matonga.
Right. Nzingandamba especially kubatonga ukuthi tokwe shy amshobo waka wena. Mshobo wako to Benson yangu. One thing I have noticed is kuti iswe twanda kuimba imshobo yabamwe. We won't sing it. You can never sing English better than Ed Sheeran.
Very true.
You will never sing English better than those guys. Cause
yeah,
and you will never sing Shona better than Freeman HKD.
Very true.
Because it's his language. So base on what you know best and create it to become an art, a beautiful art.
Very true.
And again, collaborations. Let's ask for them.
Right.
Don't demand.
You ask.
You ask
don't
politely. Guy, Jetonga, there is such a project I am working on. I don't have much or I have an appreciation fee. Can we work? Not to go to Muntulago bigger message. You don't know the person, it's a new number. I need a collab. No matter Jetonga onko na uyazwisisa ungathi I need a collab.
It's now a must.
It's now a must. Usengathi mina is by force.
Uthi buya.
Alright, ngikutshe ukuthi alright. I-collaboration iyabhadalisa. Unjoti Jetonga la umfana konjani wena approach ngendlela engayisiyo. Yes, so approach is very important.
Yeah, it's very very important.
So that's I'm not big, I can't say I'm big because I'm a levels. Sifuna ukuthi sifike kwamanye ama levels. I'm not big.
But
I've learned some way somehow.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, that's nice. But vela abantu mele befuna ukuthi imusic iyabhadala.
Iyabhadala.
Vino producer ukomproducer ngakwenzela mahara but ukuthi
approach njani.
Ngafika uproducer ya producer nsenyile ingoma yami futhi ungirecord but angila mali. Wena ngazona
akuphumi.
But ungamcela bengicela. Nxa kusenza ngizadinga imali but bengicela njani ngilento yami ingakaphumi engqondweni.
Sebenze.
Baningi abala hit song abayenza for free.
Yeah, mbubo.
Bari uthi umuntu wasikathi chamwe ndasika hayi uthi nakwempasika utumbe nyimbo and then yashamali mekora $100 waso wakweda wamba ukuza ukuthi wadibhadalisa
uladula ubhadalisa antwabona manje
takwenza raziyo but wamba chaveni ubhadalisa yo enda maulu but wena ndibhadalisa
because let's just appreciate each other kuphela because iwe the reason yakuthi wazakule ndime for a collaboration you saw something
very true.
It's either you want my 2 followers or you want the art that I do. Yeah. So just appreciate the art.
Simple.
Appreciate the art.
Simple.
So collab because we are nowhere for now.
We are still building.
But appreciate the art.
Kupela. Sometimes maybe appreciation is all about money. Sometimes appreciate. Lapha ziyakhipha. Alright, I think guys Mzulu Chaitonga for me one. At the end of the moment, ovilo into esegcekeni uthi chomlo uhamba nazo. Ungabona sezofike force ngeart. Phela uyakwazi ukwehleka phela ukcross umasuwe lo. Ngeart. But ungabona ukwazi ukcross umasuwe, ungabona ukcross uyeblawayo. Usiya cross umbembezi lwana. You are doing big.
Siyancinga.
Ungabona usiya cross uyafika eHarare. You are doing big. Ungabona ukwazi approach it's very good. But I mean ndikukuleka ukuthi asoyi Chitonga. Wakonza umixa ko but Chitonga twenda nje.
Chitonga tachisoye good pem.
Meza kuti ningaveni chizimushe mushe. Vene ta kumuntu nditobera.
Cause tendimba Chitonga utachimbe ngwani.
Tawe.
Anthu abona.
Kuti uchijira kuwa mu malanga.
Saka
kuza mafana Chitonga cha uimbe chishona, ulimbe chindebere, ulimbe. It's not bad, and
it's not bad.
But ulimi ndokuimba nduro kunomvikana njani?
Tesingishawo
wako. Awona. Alright. So namla besiphethu Chitonga guys. Chitonga uthini?
Ngithi thank you very much for the support. Twalumbalo kosiyabonga and ndinotenda because ngiyakwazi support kayivele ematongeni nje lamandebeleni nje ivela almost ama languages achiyene so ngiyabonga tinotenda and thank you very much for supporting Chitonga. Keep following and keep watching.
Shout out to Wange. Awumphatho ngamesi ubonge. Yeah. Thank you very much.